Naidu's return as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh will mean that Amaravati, the new capital city he proposed to build 10 years ago, will get a new lease of life. CNBC TV 18's Shilpa Ranipeta reports that Naidu's victory has already sent hopes soaring.
This was supposed to be Andhra Pradesh's dream capital, a thriving metropolis built from scratch to rival some of the best planned cities in the world. But in the last 5 years, the project has stalled, leaving half-constructed buildings, vast stretches of empty land and 25,000 farmers holding broken promises. Now, with the Telugu Desam Party and Chandrababu Naidu returning to power, his pet project is set to be recalled to life.
रात काली रात हमें गुजर गई थी, अब चंद्रोदय आएगा शायद, जब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, राजधानी फिर से बनेगी, किसान हम खुशी हो रहे। शपथ ग्रहण तक चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने नहीं लिया है। यहाँ पे जो कांटे, यहाँ पे जो क्या बोलते हैं फॉरेस्ट जैसा बन गया था, उसका क्लियरेंस स्टार्ट हो गया है।
The resurrection of Amaravati is Naidu's biggest poll promise, and a new capital city will mean fresh investment.
ఇక్కడ గాని రాజధాని కడితే విజయవాడ గుంటూరు.
If the capital is built here, all towns between Vijayawada and Guntur also come together. My resolve is to build a dream capital, one with world recognition and one Telugu people will be proud of. What is Andhra Pradesh's capital?
ఏది ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాజధాని.
And TDP says he is keeping this promise.
From the past few days, lot of activity had started in Amaravati. We will definitely, keep all the projects that have been derailed in Amaravati back on track. We always wanted Amaravati to be a growth engine for the state.
Amaravati was conceived in 2014 with an initial budget of nearly 30,000 crore rupees. The World Bank pledged $300 million and the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank pledged $200 million. Work began in full swing. An interim high court was built and construction began on the secretariat and residential and commercial infrastructure. Naidu's government also pooled land across 33,000 acres from over 25,000 farmers.
100 cents of land अगर हम गवर्नमेंट को देंगे तो हमें वापस में 25% ऑफ लैंड किसान को देने के लिए एग्रीमेंट था। यही है, और जिसमें फूटी कौड़ी भी रिटर्नेबल क्या चाह रहा, दूसरे वजह में पैसा किसान को नहीं मिला है। फिर भी हम 25% ये कंडीशन था कि गवर्नमेंट ये 25% को पूरा यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट करेगी, यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देगी, यहाँ पे रोड और पूरा बना के इसका वैल्यू बढ़ाएगी।
When Jagan Mohan Reddy's YSRCP came to power in 2019, Amaravati project was scrapped and both World Bank and AIIB pulled out. The farmers who participated in Naidu's pet project were the worst hit. With Naidu returning to power, there is hope. In less than a week since Naidu's victory, anecdotal evidence suggests land prices in some pockets in the region have already surged 50 to 100%.
यहाँ पे जब 10,000 रुपये एक यार्ड था, यहाँ पे 8,000 रुपये था, आज 20, 30, 35 को चला गया था।
But Chandrababu Naidu has not yet announced how he plans to proceed with this greenfield project. Experts say that given the state has a fiscal deficit of 4.2% in FY24 and a debt of 13 lakh crore rupees, funding will be a problem, and realizing the dream of Amaravati may be a long process. In Mumbai, Shilpa Ranipeta.